Hello my friends, and welcome to a brand new adventure under the Mediterranean sun. Today, I invite you to join me on a special journey, one that promises relaxation, discovery, and a touch of magic. We're about to explore Lloret de Mar Beach, a sparkling jewel nestled on Spain's legendary Costa Brava, where the turquoise sea meets golden sands. Picture yourself sinking your toes into soft, golden sand, surrounded by the gentle scent of salt and pine, as the sun's warmth wraps around you like a gentle embrace. Let's leave our worries behind, step out of our routines, and discover this remarkable shoreline together, one step at a time. We'll wander along the water's edge, feeling the cool waves lap at our feet, and stroll the palm-lined promenade where laughter and music fill the air. Together, we'll venture into the town's historic streets, discovering hidden gardens and charming corners that tell stories of centuries past. Here, nature and history blend in perfect harmony, creating a place where every view is a postcard and every moment feels timeless. Take a deep breath of the fresh sea air. Let it fill your lungs, clear your mind, and bring you a sense of calm and happiness that only the ocean can provide. Forget the rush of daily life. Let yourself be present in this moment, surrounded by the soothing sounds of waves and the endless horizon. This is your time to relax, to explore, and to soak in the vibrant beauty and energy of Lloret de Mar, where every day feels like a celebration. Our walking tour is more than just a stroll. It's a chance to experience the simple joy of being alive in a truly stunning place, surrounded by friendly faces and unforgettable scenery. I'm so glad you're here with me, ready to share in these moments and create new memories together. So, let's take our first steps and begin this wonderful exploration of Lloret de Mar, where adventure, beauty, and relaxation await us at every turn. Let's take a moment to truly appreciate the magnificent beach before us, a place where nature's artistry is on full display, and every detail invites you to slow down and savor the moment. The sand here is a radiant gold, soft and warm beneath your feet, inviting you to sink in and feel instantly grounded. Each step leaves a gentle imprint, a reminder of your presence in this tranquil paradise. The sensation is both soothing and invigorating, connecting you to the timeless rhythm of the coast. Stretching out before you, the beach is impressively wide and spacious, offering plenty of room for everyone to find their own perfect spot. Families build sandcastles, friends laugh under colorful umbrellas, and couples stroll hand in hand along the shoreline, all sharing in the joy of this sun-drenched haven. The Mediterranean Sea here is a true marvel, dazzling with a mesmerizing palette of turquoise and deep azure. The water is so clear near the shore that you can see the ripples dancing over the sandy bottom, sparkling in the sunlight and inviting you to dive in for a refreshing swim. Gentle waves roll in, their rhythmic motions soothing to the soul. Each wave softly kisses the golden sand, creating a calming soundtrack that beckons you to dip your toes in and let your worries drift away with the tide. On either end of the bay, pine-clad cliffs rise dramatically, their rugged beauty framing the beach and adding a sense of wildness to the scene. The scent of pine mingles with the salty sea air, creating a refreshing and invigorating atmosphere. Winding through these cliffs are scenic coastal paths, perfect for a leisurely hike or a peaceful stroll. Each turn reveals breathtaking views of the sea and sky, making every step an adventure in itself. Behind us, tall palm trees sway gently in the Mediterranean breeze, their fronds rustling softly and casting playful shadows on the sand. They add a distinctly tropical touch, enhancing the feeling of being in a true seaside escape. The elegant palms provide welcome shade and a sense of tranquility, their graceful forms completing the idyllic scene and offering a cool respite from the sun. Here, the golden sand, sparkling sea, dramatic cliffs and lush palms come together in perfect harmony, creating a landscape that feels both vibrant and serene, a true masterpiece of nature. The colors of Lloret de Mar are a feast for the senses. Vivid blues, lush greens and warm golds blend together, soothing the mind and uplifting the spirit. This is Lloret de Mar at its most beautiful, a place where every element comes together to create an unforgettable coastal paradise. Now, let's step onto the lively Passeig Maritime promenade. This walkway runs the length of the beach, buzzing with cafes, shops, and happy chatter. On one side, endless sea, on the other, vibrant town life. Feel the sea breeze and the scent of blooming flowers as we walk beneath the palms. Benches invite you to pause and watch the world go by. People of all ages enjoy this space. Children playing, couples strolling, joggers taking in the view. The promenade is the heart of Lloret de Mar's daily rhythm. Notice the charming lampposts, patterned paving stones, and artists capturing the bay. It's a sensory experience that encourages you to slow down and savor the moment. Here, the simple beauty of a seaside walk comes alive. Let's detour from the beach to discover Lloret de Mar's rich history. At the eastern end, Castell d'Emplatge stands on a cliff top, a fairy tale landmark built in the 20th century. It marks the start of scenic coastal paths and offers stunning views. Now, let's wander into the old town's labyrinth of narrow streets and historic stone houses. Cobblestones beneath your feet, balconies overflowing with flowers. This is the town's heart. The Church of Saint-Romain is a highlight, blending Gothic and modernist styles with colourful mosaics. It's a symbol of Lloret's creative spirit. Don't miss the Santa Clotilde Gardens, perched on a cliff with manicured terraces and panoramic sea views. These gardens are a peaceful sanctuary where art and nature meet. Here, history and beauty are around every corner. After our walk, it's time to savor Lloret de Mar's culinary delights. From family-run taverns to seaside terraces, the town celebrates fresh Catalan cuisine. Enjoy grilled sardines, succulent prawns, or a hearty souquet de pay, each dish a taste of the coast. Seafood paella is a must, shared with friends as the waves provide the soundtrack. Pair your meal with crisp local wines from the Empordà region. Eating here is about savoring flavors, enjoying company, and soaking in the relaxed seaside atmosphere. Every meal is a celebration of Catalonia's bounty. Let's find a quiet spot and listen to the sea. Close your eyes and tune into the rhythmic symphony of the waves. The sound is calming, washing away stress and bringing peace. Feel your breath slow, your mind clear. The sea's vastness reminds us of life's steady pulse. It's not just the sound. The cool spray, the salty air, and the sparkling sunlight all create a powerful sensory experience. In these quiet moments, we find clarity and gratitude. The sea gives us space to breathe and reflect. Let's sit a little longer, letting the waves be our only music. This piece is a gift to carry with us. As our walk along this breathtaking coastline comes to an end, take a moment to remember. This stretch of sand and sea is a precious gift, one that has been shaped by nature over countless years. Every sunset, every gentle wave, and every breeze carries with it a story of beauty and resilience. Let's treat it with care, leaving only footprints behind as a sign of our respect. The memories we make here should be gentle, so that others can enjoy this place just as we have. I hope today's journey inspired you to find joy in the simple moments by the sea. Whether it's the laughter of friends, the sound of waves, or the feeling of sand between your toes. Lloret de Mar is more than just a destination on a map. It's a feeling that lingers long after you leave. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin, the taste of fresh seafood, the sound of laughter echoing across the shore, and the peaceful rhythm of the waves. Slow down, be present, and cherish these moments. Let yourself be fully immersed in the sights, sounds, and sensations that make this place so special. If you ever visit, take time to walk the golden sands, swim in the clear Mediterranean waters, and wander through the charming old streets. Each step is a chance to discover something new and wonderful. Life's greatest joys are often the simplest: a glowing sunset, a shared meal with loved ones, or a quiet moment of reflection by the water's edge. These are the memories that stay with us. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you carry a piece of this peaceful coastline with you wherever you go. I hope you feel refreshed, inspired, and ready to seek out simple joys in your own life, no matter where you are. The world is full of beautiful places waiting to be discovered, each with its own unique charm and story to tell. Let your curiosity guide you. Until next time, may your days be filled with warmth, wonder, and the simple joys that make life truly meaningful.